Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro Series V2 aluminum front grille. This grille fits the 2025 Plus Polaris RZR Pro Series, all models. Install time is under 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing the two spring-loaded twist fasteners at the top of the factory grille, pushing them in, and twisting them until you feel the grille come loose, then you pull on it. Next, let's remove the twist fasteners from the factory grille, and move them to the DRT grille. Do so by pushing in on the fastener, as shown here, and removing the hard rubber lock washer from around the shaft. This will let the fastener pull through the grille. Now, repeat this step on the other fastener, and then move over the fasteners to the DRT grille. Push the fasteners through, from the front side of the grille. Then, keeping them pushed in, slide the rubber lock washer back into place around the shaft, which will now keep the fastener in place. Repeat this step on the other fastener. Lastly, slide the bottom of the grille tabs into the slotted bodywork, and push the grille up and into place, as you see here. Then, push in on the fasteners, and twist. You will feel them lock into place, and you are done. That's it. Your grille is installed. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series V2 aluminum front grille. This Pro Series V2.0 2025 Plus aluminum front grille is made of multi-layered laser cut parts and formed to contour the front fascia of your RZR. The laser cut mesh panel uses aluminum Pemserts to secure the outer grille trim plate. The design of the grille features accents that highlight the return of the Polaris fang light to the RZR lineup. The grille attaches to the fascia with OEM-style turn fasteners, no cutting or drilling required, and can easily be removed. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.